Imagine stepping into a world where technology, luxury, and comfort come together in perfect harmony. The futuristic motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is a vision of the future on wheels, combining cutting-edge technology, high-end finishes, and an exceptional driving experience. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and stable ride, adapting effortlessly to any terrain, whether you're cruising down highways or exploring unpaved roads. The sleek, aerodynamic black and green exterior, complemented by gold accents, makes a striking statement as it glides down the road. From its state-of-the-art cockpit to its innovative suspension system, every detail of this motorhome has been meticulously designed to offer the ultimate in comfort, style, and performance. As you step inside, you are greeted by an open, spacious interior where every inch has been carefully planned. The narrow central walkway provides easy circulation, while the luxurious lounge area invites you to relax and unwind. The L-shaped black velvet sofa is the perfect spot to kick back after a long day on the road, with green velvet cushions that provide both comfort and elegance. The slim floating table positioned in the center holds a single lily flower vase, adding a touch of freshness to the space. The soft golden ceiling lighting complements the serene atmosphere, casting a warm glow over the entire room. Black-tinted panoramic windows provide expansive views of the surrounding landscape, while the flush integrated blinds ensure your privacy when needed. Moving through the motorhome, you come to the bedroom, which offers the perfect blend of luxury and comfort. The low-profile round bed is the centerpiece of the room, surrounded by dark graphite walls and champagne beige bedding that creates a warm, inviting environment. The golden accent trims add a touch of sophistication, while the soft golden lighting provides a cozy, intimate feel. The black-tinted windows with integrated blinds offer privacy and allow you to adjust the natural light to your liking. The bed is positioned in such a way that you have ample space to move around, with slim wardrobes and overhead storage cabinets offering plenty of space to store your belongings. Continuing your journey through the motorhome, you enter the dressing area, a walk-through wardrobe designed to make organizing and selecting your outfits easy and efficient. Full-height wardrobes line the walls, with half-open mirrored doors showcasing neatly hung clothes. The warm LED lighting inside the wardrobes makes it easy to see everything you need. A slim vanity shelf with a backlit mirror allows you to get ready for the day in style, whether you're applying makeup or preparing for a business meeting. Gold hardware and matte black finishes throughout the dressing area create a sleek, modern feel that complements the overall design of the motorhome. The kitchen area is just as impressive, with a straight-wall integrated galley that is both functional and stylish. The matte black cabinetry contrasts beautifully with the champagne beige countertop, creating a clean and sophisticated look. The golden accents and satin metal trims throughout the space add a touch of luxury, while the integrated induction cooktop and sink make the kitchen as functional as it is elegant. There is even a small fold-down dining shelf with two compact stools, perfect for enjoying a quick meal or a drink. The soft golden undercabinet lighting illuminates the space beautifully, while the black-tinted window offers privacy without sacrificing natural light. This compact, high-end kitchen allows you to cook, eat, and relax in style, no matter where the road takes you. For those who need to work on the road, the private office cabin is the ideal place to be productive. The wall-integrated floating desk features a sleek green surface, providing the perfect workspace. The ergonomic office chair ensures maximum comfort during long hours of work, and slim shelves and drawers provide ample storage for documents, tech, and personal items. Soft golden lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the black-tinted window allows you to adjust the amount of natural light streaming into the space. Whether you're working or simply relaxing, this office cabin offers a quiet retreat to focus and recharge. Next, we move to the bathroom, which offers a compact yet luxurious experience. The glass-enclosed shower is a modern design with gold fixtures, creating a spa-like atmosphere. The floating vanity with an integrated sink is both sleek and functional, offering ample storage for toiletries while maintaining a clean and modern look. The lightstone surfaces contrast beautifully with the gold fixtures and black accents, creating a refined and contemporary feel. The warm golden spa lighting adds to the relaxing atmosphere, while the soft backlit mirror ensures you always look your best. The black-tinted windows provide privacy, and the flush integrated blinds allow you to control the amount of natural light in the room. This bathroom is the perfect place to unwind after a long day of travel. Finally, we arrive at the cockpit, which is the heart of this motorhome. The driver's seat and passenger seat are upholstered in black leather with green accents, offering both comfort and style. The digital dashboard is sleek and modern, with green and black backlighting that complements the overall aesthetic. The steering wheel is equipped with integrated touch controls, making it easy to adjust the driving settings. The black-tinted panoramic windshield provides an unobstructed view of the road ahead, while the flush integrated blinds offer privacy when needed. The gold accents on the dashboard, controls, and steering wheel tie everything together, creating a cohesive, high-end driving experience. The futuristic motorhome is a perfect blend of luxury and innovation, designed for those who want to experience the best in comfort, performance, and design while on the road. With its high-end features, state-of-the-art technology, and luxurious interiors, it offers an unparalleled travel experience. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a long road trip, this motorhome ensures that every moment is spent in comfort and style. The price of this motorhome reflects the cutting-edge technology, high-quality materials, and luxurious finishes that go into making it one of the finest motorhomes on the market. Although it comes at a premium, it is well worth the investment for those who demand the best. The motorhome is designed to provide a top-of-the-line experience for its owners, ensuring that every journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Are you ready to elevate your travel experience? Ready to take control of the open road and experience the future of road travel? Don't miss out on the opportunity to own the futuristic motorhome. Schedule your test drive today and begin your journey into the future.